everyone, welcome back to Practice with Pooja YouTube channel. So in today video I will discuss that how can we use technology in a right way for learning any language. So if you want to learn English language, so we will have to use technology. While using the technology we can learn English language, we can learn any language, but you will have to use in a right way. So further ado, let's get into the video. So dear friend, if you are a learner and you want to learn English language with frequently, with fluently, as well as confidently. So if you have a smartphone, if you are using technology, while using technology you can learn any language, but you will have to use in a right way, not wrong way, because we know that there are two calls. One is advantage and the one is disadvantage. But you will have to follow advantage, not disadvantage. If you will follow the advantage, then you can learn any language. There is no need to any partner to do practice, to do learning any language. If you want to learn English language and you are learner, so there are so many apps in our mobile phone, because technology has given so many things for learning everything. But if you will use in a right way, then you can definitely learn. So there are so many English apps, then you can do practice, you can learn that you don't know. So if you will use English app, that study app, then you can learn English language. But disadvantage is that there are so many social media apps is also in mobile phone. So what happened when we are doing a study, we are doing practice in mobile phone while using technology, so there are so many notifications come in your social media app, means WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. These all are all the social media app. So there are so many notifications will come, then your mind will distract and you will touch the notification that what you. So your mind will distract. This is a main disadvantage. So first of all, if you want to learn English language, you want to use technology in a right way, so you have to off the all notification. All social media app you will have to off the notification. If you will off all notification, then you can do practice, you can learn English properly in a right way. And you want to do practice, so there is no need to any partner for learning English language, because you have a smartphone and there is one camera is in a mobile phone. You can, while using the camera, you can do practice, you can make video, you can make recording. And one advantage is that after making the video, after making the recording, if you will listen yourself, so you can amend your mistake, and as well as you can see, you can watch your gesture and posture. So this is a best advantage for using the technology. If you want to learn English language, so you can use these tips, then you can use technology. While using the technology, you can learn any language, any skill. So this is my short opinion that I had used, and now I am also using these tips that I can learn so many things.